Okay, we've got the front and rear trunk kits installed, the footwell kits installed. So we'll open this up. And this shows the front trunk lit up pretty brightly. And we'll walk around, open up the door and show the footwell LEDs. Now these will retain the theater effect of the factory lights, so they'll do everything the factory lights did. We also have a kit that tints the mirrors or the upper map lights. So it kind of, see how it kind of washes out the color in the seats here. You can actually tint the map lights up here to the color of the interior. It will diminish some of your map light visibility, so it's up to you if you want to do that. Here's the rear trunk. You got two 16-inch strips there that retain the factory light settings. It gives you good light in the trunk even without the white lights of the factory. And we'll come around to the driver's side. And they really throw a lot of light out, a lot better than the factory little LED that they have back there.